Hi, Lady Esther here. Today I'm going to be doing a look with the new Charlotte Tilbury Icon palette. If this is something that you're interested in today, please stick around. Today I think I'm going to do the Disco Eyes, which is quite scary for me because that's pretty dark, and it's these three right here are the Disco Eyes. However, I might, if I'm just going to use this whole palette, I might dip into this color, maybe that color. Anyway, I don't know. We'll just go with the flow. Up the color here a little bit higher with the blue. I'm going to hike it up here more. So I'm just copying a video from the Charlotte Tilbury website where she's demonstrating this look. Okay, so here's the finished look. What do you think? Pretty much way beyond my comfort zone. I'm not even sure I would wear this to the disco. Do you have this palette? If you do you like it? And if not, why not? If you have any questions or comments or suggestions, please leave them in the box below. I enjoy hearing from you. If you like this video, please click the like button. Please click the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. Be sure and hit the bell button to be reminded of new videos. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.